In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create BMO Harris bank account. We'll walk through the process from finding the right page to submitting your application, and I'll point out tips to keep things smooth and secure along the way. Start by opening your web browser and searching for BMO Harris Bank. From the results, head to the official BMO site and navigate to the online banking section. On that page, look for the area labeled checking and savings, then continue to bank accounts. This is where you can browse BMO's personal account options. Take a moment to review the checking accounts available. You'll see options like BMO Smart Advantage Checking, BMO Smart Money Checking, and BMO Relationship Checking. Click into each to compare features such as monthly fees, requirements to waive fees, and any perks or limits. Once you've decided which account fits your needs, select it and click Open Now. You may be asked if you want to bundle a savings builder account with your checking. Bundling can help you organize savings and may unlock benefits, but it's optional. Choose yes or no, then click Continue to move on. Next, you'll complete the application form. Enter your legal name, a reliable email address, and a phone number where you can be reached for updates. Provide your residential address, including any apartment or unit number, plus your city, state, and zip code. Make sure all details match your identification to prevent delays. You'll then be asked for your date of birth and your social security number or ITN. This information is required to verify your identity and comply with banking regulations. Confirm you're on the secure BMO site before entering sensitive details. You'll also select your citizenship status and employment status. These fields are standard in bank applications. Next, choose your debit card style or check the box if you don't want a debit card. If offered, you can also opt in to receive complimentary checks. Decide whether you're opening an individual account or a joint account. If it's joint, be prepared to provide details for the other applicant as prompted. Review the terms and conditions carefully, then check the box to acknowledge and accept them. If you have a promo code, select the option to enter it and type it in exactly as provided. When everything looks good, click Submit. Application. That's it. After submitting, watch for confirmation on screen and via email. Keep your documents handy in case the bank requests additional verification. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new BMO account.